Okay, we're running. This is how it goes down. And then it's got to put that pin in with a really small clip to lock it. And then over on this side, there's another pin. Show what the clip looks like. A little small clip, okay. And then go ahead and that flips down like that. Then you rolled on, and then you put it up.
Rolling on.
And put it up. And then it's up. And that's like that. Mary Lou's trying to call me right now, but I'm trying to do this. Okay. Okay, then that pin goes in there.
So you have to keep it up.
What if you slide it from the other side? Bring there you go. That makes it easier. There you go, okay. And that's with, and then there's straps to strap the cart down. Okay, all right. Okay.
See, just lifting it up might be.
And then put the pin in.